Hey guys, it's Maggie, and today we're going to be talking about the fundamental theorem of calculus. This theorem has two parts. Part 1 is definite integrals, and this states that if big F of x equals the integral a to b of little f of x dx, then this is equal to big F of b minus big F of a. So what can this be used for? Well, when you integrate, you're finding the area under a curve. So this is used to find the area under the curve between A and B. So basically this shaded region right here. So for example, evaluate the exact area under the curve between the closed interval 0 to 2 of f of x equals 4 minus x squared dx. So what you would do here is you would set up the integral from 0 to 2 of 4 minus x squared dx. Sorry, this was supposed to be here. And then you would integrate. So from 0 to 2, this would become 4x minus 1/3 x cubed. And then you would plug in your points. So 4 times 2 minus 1/3 of 2 cubed minus 4 times 0 minus 1/3 of 0 cubed. And if you work it out, this becomes 16/3. So then, let's do another example. Find the area under the curve between 0 and pi over 2 if f of x equals 3 cosine x. So you would do the same thing here. Set up your integration. 3 cosine x dx. And then integrate. You can pull that constant out front. Sine of x from 0 to pi over 2. So then 3 sine pi over 2 minus 3 sine 0 equals, if you work this out, it equals 3. So basically the first part is just finding the area between, on a closed interval between A and B. Then part 2, this part is used to find the area between A and then a point between A and B. We'll call it X. So basically, it's used to find this area right here of the shaded region. So, for example, if you have f of x equals the integral pi over 2 to x squared of cosine t dt, then what you do is everywhere you see t, you plug in whatever's here. It doesn't matter if it's x, square root of x, x squared, whatever. So f prime of x is equal to cosine of x squared times 2x. So right here we plugged in the x squared, and then we took the derivative of this right here. So if it was x, it would be 1, x squared equals 2x, etc. And so then f prime of x becomes 2x cosine x squared. Simple as that. So let's do another example. If f of x equals integral 2 to x squared 1 over t cubed dt. Some people see this fraction and they freak out, but it's just as simple as this one. Remember, everywhere you see t, you plug in x squared. So this becomes f prime of x equals 2x times 1 over x squared cubed, which equals 2x times 1 over x to the 6th. One of these cancels, so this becomes x to the 5th. So this equals 2 over x to the 5th. So this theorem is very helpful when you're trying to find the area between 2 points. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned a lot. Thanks.